Good morning, early start. Good afternoon, early start. How do you do? How do you do? And how do you do? Right, well, now, this morning, I thought we might do some more experiments using water. Now, we did use some water and air pressure. Remember that? Yeah, we had some water and air pressure. And then we used some water and sound to make our glasses sing. And now we're going to do some water and colour. We're going to use water and colour. So I'm going to use 3 glasses, okay? Now I'm using glasses because I'm in charge and I'm allowed. So, but if you want to use the glasses, you have to ask your mammy, okay? Now, can you see that each glass, look, now water doesn't really have any colour. Sure it doesn't. So we're going to make the water change its colour. Okay, so what I'm going to use is I have this stuff here and it's called water or food colouring, and you use this little bottle. It comes in different colours and you can use it when you're baking or you're cooking and you put icing on a cake. So maybe when you make a bun you can put icing on it, which is white, but if you mix some of this in it you can change the colour of the icing. So what I do with this is I'm going to take some of this, I'm going to just pour it in there. And you can see, there we go. Now remember, if you're using this, don't just take it out of the press, ask your mammy. I only have one of these. If you have other ones you can use, the other colours. But if you haven't got food colouring, I'll show you what else you can use, okay? But first of all, it's going to give this a mix so it's nice and a red colour, pinky red colour, isn't it? Yeah, that's nice. Now, if you haven't got that, you could use this. You can use some paint, right? So I have some yellow paint here and some green paint. So I'm going to get some yellow paint here and I'm going to put that into this glass over here and I'm going to just mix it around. And when you put the paint into the glass, what happens is it changes the water's colour. So I'll give a good old spin around. You can see it turning yellow there, can't you? So I move my paint tray out of the way. I'll just put a bit more in there. Again, you go, make it nice and yellow. Actually, you can see the lumpy paint in there, can't you? So I'm going to give it a good mix. So it kind of looks like orange juice, but don't drink it. It's paint. It'd be nice. Now I'm going to put some green paint in this one here. So there we go. There I'm changing the colours because water has no colour. So when you put something with colour into it, it will change to that colour. So this water has changed to green because of green paint. This water has changed to pink or pinky red because of the food colouring, and this one has changed to yellow because I put yellow paint in. So there we go. Now you can. So what I'm going to do with my 3 glasses of water, well, what I'm going to do, boys and girls, is I'm going to do some rainbows. Now, this here is kitchen roll, right? And I'll show you what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take this piece of kitchen roll here, I'm going to roll it up into, just roll it down into like the shape of a pencil, okay? And I might just give it a bit of a squish, so it looks a bit like that, okay? See? Okay, lovely. I'll leave that there over there for a second. And I need another one. So I'm going to get that one there. Okay. And there we go. Okay, so now, there we go. That one. So I have 2 of these. Alright, so what we're going to do now, boys and girls, I'm just going to get this to go inside here, right, into the, I'm going to put this end into the yellow and this end into the green. I'm going to put this end into the green and this end into the red. Now, can you guess what happens? What can you guess? So let's just see. Right, let's put that one in there quickly. Okay, and I'm going to scrunch this one up here and I'm going to put that one in there. That, okay, in behind it, there you go. And we look very carefully and see what happens. Okay, let's move that out a little bit. Now you can see the red going up here, look. And you look very carefully, you can see the green, I'll bring it over there, the green is coming up, see here. And on this one, the yellow is going up the kitchen roll, and it's going to meet, and the green is going up, and you can see they're kind of meeting in the middle. So what I did there, boys and girls, I kind of made like a rainbow, okay? So what happens is, look, ooh, the lovely colours go up, and they mix together. And you might get a mixture of different colours in there. So you can see, I'll take it out in a second and I'll show you. Now, how does that work, right? Well, kitchen roll is made out of tissue paper, which is has a special power, which sounds a bit strange. A special power, it's absorbent. What? Absorbent. That means it can soak up water. So that's why we use tissue when we spill something, because when we spill something, it can go into the tissue because the tissue is absorbent. Now, this water is traveling up here and traveling up through the tissue, because the tissue is absorbent, and there we go, that matches. I just moved that bit forward there, look. So we can see, I'll take this one out, and you can see, look at that lovely colour. Yeah, look, and it's dripping at the end here, you can see the water dripping down. Look at that, ooh, and let's have a look at the yellow one. Take it out there, and you can see the yellow and the green there. Listen, come back a little bit. Okay, so there you go. So maybe you could try that, yeah? Maybe you could try that. Now, do you want to show something else you can try, which I have this one started already. I'll just move those fellas over there out of the way. Out of the way, go away, go away, go away. Now you can see I spilled some water here, so I have a bit of tissue, and it just shows you how absorbent, you can see, look, absorbent the tissue is. So when you place it down on the wet, and the water goes into the tissue, because the tissue is absorbent. That's a big word, absorbent, absorbent, absorbent. Absorbent. Okay, now look at this one. In this glass I have nothing, right? In this glass I have nothing, and what's going to happen now, it takes ages for this to happen, okay? So I'm leaving this here, and what will happen is this water here will go up through the tissue, and it will start to drip down into that glass, but that takes a long time, so I'm going to leave that, and later on I'll show you how that works, okay? Or I can show you the end of it when the water comes through. So maybe when I do my next video, I'll show you this and see, we'll see it working, okay? So what's happening is, remember the tissue, the water is traveling up through the kitchen roll, which is tissue because it's absorbent, and it's going to go all the way over into that glass. Now it takes for ages to do that, so we have to wait for that to happen, okay? So the next video I show you, we'll see it, okay? That's called, and yeah, so that's a little experiment you could try with that one. Now, I'll move that back over there, and I'll just bring back in our 3 glasses again so you can see. So there they are. So what we did was we made a kind of a rainbow with the tissue. So maybe you'd like to try that and see, can you maybe match the different colours and see what happens. So if you look very carefully here, you can't really see, but the yellow and the green is kind of mixing here, and the green and the pink is kind of mixing here. I wonder, look at that now, look. And they're still dripping down, so they're nice, lovely colours. So we changed the colour of the tissue by using coloured water, because tissue is absorbent. Okie doke. So now maybe you could try that at home, and you can tell me how you get on, okay? And as I say, later on, when you come back to me the next time, I'll show you what happens with this glass. Is that okay? All right. I'll talk to you later. You're all noodles. Goodbye.